It is day 5 on our cruise down the Western Caribbean, and we were supposed to go snorkeling today. We're in Costa Maya. But do you see the water behind us? This is insane. Yeah, not snorkeling weather. I don't feel like getting pushed up against the pier. So instead, we are going to go and explore the port of Costa Maya before we head back to the ship. So check it out and see what we find. Costa Maya day. We had a blast even though the excursion was canceled today. What did we do today?
We just kind of roamed around the port and saw the huge waves crashing and everything.
Took a nap.
Took a nap. Had some drinks.
Yes, we did. And then we had a great dinner. All the best desserts. The desserts in the main dining room are phenomenal. And then jacuzzi time, and now we're
lobster.
out. Oh yeah, it was lobster. We had lobster and tenderloin, right? I had tenderloin. It was so good. It was so good. Anyway, we sat in the jacuzzi for a bit, and we're gonna call it a night because we have an early day of sewing tomorrow morning. So until then, we'll see you later.